Hello Taurus, welcome to Group 2 Tarot, and this is your reading from 4th of June to 10th of June. So let's check what are the messages for you. Messages for Taurus. Page of Air. Two of Air. Queen of Earth. And Love. So here we have card of love. It looks like that you are totally lost in love. I mean, this person is desperate for your love. They are longing for your presence. They are longing for your affection. And it's like you both cannot think of anything else but each other. And here you have Page of Air. With this Page of Air, this person is continuously thinking about what you are up to, because here we have Two of Air. So maybe in your relationship you're at a point where you need to make a decision. You need to decide what you want in your future, whether you want to stay in this relationship or to leave it, or to take it to the next level, like committing to them, or making it public or something, like you are in a relationship with someone. So this person is totally dependent on you. They are continuously thinking what you will do. Maybe you have some differences that you need to sort out first. Maybe there are things that you are yet to decide. And this person cannot think of what will happen next. I mean, they have no idea and they are scared. What if Taurus leaves me? They want you here desperately. And then with this Page of Air, this person is also stalking you continuously. They are looking at your social media. They are trying to figure out what you are up to. They want to know what you're feeling like and what your thoughts are right now. And then here you have Queen of Earth. With this Queen of Earth, they feel like you are the perfect one. It's like they always dreamed of someone like you. They had this idea that someday they'll date someone like you. I mean, they'll meet someone like you. You are perfect, you are practical, you are emotional at the same time. And for them, it's like you are a perfect balance. You know how to handle a situation. You are strong yet delicate. So they love this kind of extremes in you. And they are surprised by your devotion. I mean, by devotion, this person is completely awestruck by how you maintain these intense emotional relationships. It's like they feel intensely connected to you, and they are totally surprised by your loyalty. I mean, they have never seen something like this. They have never felt something like this. This is something quite intense and something irresistible. So with the card of the Love, I see that you are longing for each other in this week. You may not be speaking up, they may not be speaking up, but both of you are restless. What will happen next? And what decision should you make? Here you are about to make a crucial decision. Here you have a lot of air, so you might be dealing with an air sign. However, this could be any sign because this is a general reading and it is not going to resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. Also, you can check your moon and rising sign. Let's go ahead and check some more messages for you, Taurus. Transformation. Page of Fire, Seven of Fire, Three of Earth in reverse, and Ten of Earth. Okay, so here we have transformation. This love is transforming you. You are going through a journey. It is happening for a reason. You might be at a stage where you feel like at one moment you are pulled towards it, and in the next moment you feel pushed out of it. So I see that you're going to have a lot of mood swings in this week. And then here you have Page of Fire. With this Page of Fire, this person is going nowhere. They are waiting for you to say something. They are waiting for you to express something. Even if you don't go and say something directly, they are looking for something that is expressive of your thoughts. And here you have Seven of Fire. This person is trying hard to be in your life. They are trying to answer your all questions. They don't want to leave. They want to be in this relationship at any cost. It's like no matter what's coming in their way, they are ready to take it all. They are ready to face it all. And looks like that this person is not going to lose. Okay. However, they don't feel balanced right now. They might be feeling completely, what can I say? They are in chaos. Yes, they are in chaos. They don't know how to handle themselves, how to maintain this balance. They are completely disbalanced, but they are not going to leave. They are not going to leave the effort. And then here you have Three of Earth in reverse. With the Three of Earth in reverse, it looks like Taurus, in spite of being in love, you feel like you cannot keep this relationship for any long. It's like you are already feeling defeated. It's like you are done. It's taking too much effort from you. At least you feel this way. You feel emotionally tired. And it's like you don't understand when this will end. For no reason, you are feeling tired. You are feeling like you need your own space. You need to think clearly about something. Here you see the card of the transformation. I think this relationship has changed you. You are looking into the depth and you see that you have changed. You are someone totally different from what you used to be. And it's like you are going into every detail. You want to be sure of everything. Again and again, you are looking for surety again and again. Nothing is giving you satisfaction in this week. And then here you have Ten of Earth. By the end of the week, you will have Ten of Earth. That means happiness. Friends are together, family is together. Maybe you are going to enjoy something. You're going to a gathering and you are attractive. You know that you can get attention of anyone you want to. And everything seems in place. So everything is coming to a point where you feel complete in the end of the week, but in the beginning you might experience many mood swings. Let's take a message for you. Message for Taurus. Forgive and forget. A ritual cleansing of pain and lies. Arise and awaken. See a new sunrise. So if you don't feel like that it can work, even if you feel emotionally connected, it's up to you what you choose to do. If it makes you restless, if it is not letting you be happy or something, you need to forgive this person. They might have done certain things to hurt you, to break your confidence, or to make you vulnerable, but you need to forgive in order to heal and forget about everything. So it's about a new beginning. You can choose a new person for yourself, or maybe you can forgive this person and start your relationship all over again. So it's all up to you, but it's about forgiving and forgetting. Otherwise, you won't be able to reach the end. So this was the reading for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.